Basilica of Brussels, which is the fifth biggest Catholic basilica of the world. They started to build it at the very beginning of the 20th century, but due to the two big wars, of course, and the lack of money, they couldn't finish the construction until the 1980s, so quite recent, we would say. Now, dear group, for the people that haven't done another tour before, I would like to just give you a general introduction about this country that is a quite interesting country, quite a complex country also. So we are now in this very small country in the center of Europe, center-west, which official name is the Kingdom of Belgium. This is the name of this country. Belgium is a parliamentary monarchy country with few people, but 3 official languages we speak in Belgium.
Ghent City was one of the largest and wealthiest cities in Europe during the late Middle Ages. It played a crucial role in the region's history and economy. Ghent is home to 3 UNESCO World Heritage Sites, including the Belfry of Ghent, Gravensteen Castle, and the Old City Centre too. Ghent has been recognized as a creative city of music by UNESCO due to its rich musical heritage and numerous musical activities. The city is famous for its beautiful canals, which are a major attraction for both locals and tourists. A canal tour is a popular way to explore the city. Ghent offers one of the largest cultural festivals in Europe, taking place every July, with music, theater, and street performances. The city center transforms into Christmas markets and ice skating rinks in winter. Ghent has a lively performing arts scene, with venues like the Opera House and various theaters hosting a range of performances from classical music to contemporary plays. The Belfry of Ghent, or Het Belfort van Ghent, is one of the city's most iconic landmarks. The belfry was constructed in the 14th century and has served as a symbol of the city's independence. It's part of the UNESCO World Heritage Site, Belfries of Belgium and France. The tower stands 91 meters tall and features a dragon-shaped weather vane on top, which has been a symbol of power and protection for the city since the 14th century. The belfry has historically been used as a watchtower and a repository for the city's privileges and charters. The original bell, called Great Roland, was used to alert citizens of important events. Visitors can climb the tower or take an elevator to enjoy panoramic views of Ghent and the surrounding area. The top offers a breathtaking perspective of the city's medieval architecture and bustling streets. Inside the belfry, you'll find a museum that showcases its history and significance, including exhibits on the city's medieval past and the tower's construction. A quaint medieval quarter with narrow streets, charming houses, and excellent restaurants. The Gravensteen, or Castle of the Counts, is a well-preserved medieval castle dating back to 1180. It has served various purposes over the centuries, including a court, prison, mint, and cotton factory too. Today, it's a museum and a major landmark in Ghent. Grassley and Corenley. The iconic St. Michael's Bridge offers some of the best views of both Grassley and Corenley, with the medieval buildings reflecting beautifully on the river. The Grassley and Corenley are two picturesque quays along the Leie River in Ghent, and they are among the city's most popular and scenic spots. You can take a boat tour along the Leie River from this area, providing a unique perspective of Ghent's historic center and its waterways. The Grassley and Corenley are often the center of various events and festivals in Ghent, adding to the lively atmosphere. This area has numerous cafes and restaurants with outdoor seating, offering a wonderful place to enjoy a meal or a drink while taking in the views. Grassley and Corenley offers stunning views of the river and the historic buildings lining its banks. It's a perfect spot for photography and leisurely strolls.
Vismarkt.
Ghent city center is a vibrant and historic heart of the city, brimming with medieval architecture, charming streets, and cultural landmarks. The city center boasts numerous museums, such as the Museum of Fine Arts and the Stam Ghent City Museum, which provide rich insights into the city's art and history. The city center is full of unique shops and markets, including the Great Butcher's Hall, which sells local delicacies. A bustling square in the heart of the city, surrounded by cafes, shops, and historic buildings.